How to fix Lazada Payment Unsuccessful. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, open up Lazada and click on account found in the bottom right corner. From here, you will need to scroll down until you see payment options. So just click on payment options here. And you want to verify your payment method. Make sure you have put your information correctly. If you're using credit or debit card, double or triple check your information. And if you're using Gcash or any other payment method, then again you want to verify it. And also make sure that you have sufficient funds. That's going to be the first step. The second step that I suggest doing and following is going to the App Store or the Google Play Store and just searching for Lazada. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So right here where you will see Lazada, you want to click on update if you see any updates. That's going to be the second thing that I can suggest doing. The last thing, or the second to last thing, is going to be checking your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. And the very last thing that I can suggest doing is going into account. Then right here, you will click on the question mark in the top right corner. Now from here, you want to search for contact and just search for it like I said. And you will see different options of talking to Lazada customer representatives. You can chat or call them, and you will explain the issue that your payment method isn't working, and they can further assist you if it's something on their end. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.